Hello, in this video I want to show you how to donate or exchange severed hands in Lords of the Fallen. To do this, first you'll need to reach the vestige of betrayed Elyard. It's called Shrine basically. And when you're here, then simply go in front, follow the blood trail, and on the right there's a shrine. When you interact with it, you'll be able to exchange the severed hands for some items or donate them. And if you're not sure how to get here, let me know in the comments and I will make a video on how to unlock this shrine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.